the basic idea of this Endeca extensions is that the standard way that you operate a business suite, or really any ERP system, is a user starts a transaction with a blank screen, a query screen, with some fields, and you type in query criteria to look for things. And when you type in some criteria, you get a matching set of results. So you look at a particular customer, you get the orders for that customer. But how did you know what to query for? Well, typically that's the role of operational reporting. This can be invoice aging reports, it could be production exception reports, it could be late orders, unfulfillment delays, stuck orders, jobs on hold, whatever it might be that tells the user what's an exception or what they might need to focus on. So that's, traditionally, most customers have made a substantial investment in creating operational reporting to help users identify high priority data situations that they need to attend to. So our idea is, rather than following that paradigm, what if the actual end user began their session with a screen that looks like this? So information-driven navigation, you can identify right from the initial screen that there are a number of orders facing a fulfillment delay. You can identify some of the reasons why things are delayed based on a tag cloud. You can get histograms of data to identify a particular customer where there might be a large unshipped order, for example. When you need to search, you can use a Google-like search behavior where you type a few characters and the system guesses all the different things you might be looking for. So for people coming into your workforce who are used to Google and Facebook and these kind of modern UI interfaces, these are the behaviors that people are expecting. It's the kind of behaviors you see in internet shopping experiences. And we've now brought those into eBusiness Suite so that not only to improve productivity and lower the need for operational reporting, but also just to make sure that the system comes across as modern for your user community. So as you do each search operation, you click on an element of the chart, you enter some search criteria. We call it having a conversation with your data, because the entire interface recomputes based on what you've selected so far. So this is another name for this is called faceted search. You're familiar with it from shopping on the internet. Where you might say, I want a television, and I want a certain number of inches television, I want a Samsung. Pretty soon it's asking you, do you want an LED or an LCD? It comes up with search refinements based on what you've selected so far. And this is the technology behind a lot of that internet shopping. We've pointed it at the ERP data to help you work with incomplete transactions within your ERP system to navigate to the important ones to work on and to gain insight in the process of finding your way to the important transactions.